So the Figure 4 Standalone is easily the easiest to use, the most accurate, and the fastest machine I've ever used. We are actually the only certified service-disabled veteran-owned small business in the US doing full production additive manufacturing. So I spent 13 years in the US Army. First portion as an engineer and the last 9 of it as a medical evacuation pilot. Got out of the Army in 2016 due to medical conditions after kind of getting banged up in Afghanistan. Moving from the Army, transitioned back to Oklahoma. So the mission is to provide that mission critical and time sensitive support through additive manufacturing. In-house we have FDM, SLS, and DLP. So the Figure 4 Standalone by far is the fastest machine that we've used and that we currently have. So what would typically be 6 to 7 hours in maybe an SLA machine, we're down to a matter of minutes in the Figure 4. Plus the surface quality is rival of injection molded quality. It was an easy choice because of price point, because of speed, because of accuracy, and the ease of use. By far, hands down, it was an easy pick. Figure 4 Standalone coupled with 3D Sprint is the perfect storm for the repeatability that we need out of the machine. I love 3D Sprint. It prints very quickly with high accuracy of detail and that Lean Six Sigma repeatability that our customers desire. Once a part comes out of the Figure 4 Standalone, we remove the supports, rinse it, we put it in the UV curing station. Within 30 to 45 minutes, you have a part in hand. So the parts that we produce out of the Figure 4 Standalone in the Figure 4 Tough Gray 15 material rivals injection molded parts. We got the machine back in August, and shortly after that, it's already paid for itself. So would I recommend the Figure 4 Standalone? Absolutely, 100%. It's a complete game changer. I mean, it is completely open capacity inside the company. When I receive a file first thing in the morning and I can hand walk a part before lunch, that is 6x less than a competitor. It's a win-win. I mean, it's just a fantastic combination that has allowed us to grow so quickly.